Hey guys, it's Jason and I'm excited to make this video as have I got a banger for you. I'm going to show you in this video a niche that doesn't have a lot of competition. You won't need to show your face, you won't even need to do a voiceover. It's easy to get in and you can get into it right now. I'll be showing you an example of a channel that is making crazy amount of money off this niche. But before we go any further, I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, I won't be drawing out this video, so let's get straight to it. The channel example I'll be showing you is Looming Subliminals. By the way, if you don't know, subliminals are, for instance, if you believe in law of attraction, which I do, you will repeat subliminals meanwhile listening to different genre of music. As you can see here, I've pulled up one of their video and you can see that they have ads on it.
Why? I believe it's because they have ended up giving away their time.
And it's as simple as this. You'll be using royalty-free pictures, and also you'll be using royalty-free songs from YouTube audio library. And you simply place the affirmations in the description area. You can see here. You see they show you where they get the images from, pixel.com, and the music is from YouTube audio library. But before we go any further, let me show you how much this channel is actually making. I head over to Social Blade. So far they have released only 94 videos and they have a massive subscriber count of 17.7 thousand, and their video views so far you can see is over 1 million. And this channel was created in February 18, 2019. And to find out how much they are making, let's copy and paste this. And I'll be estimating that their CPM is $8. If you don't know, the CPM actually stands for cost per thousand, and this is the amount of money a YouTuber makes for every 1,000 views that a video gets. But the CPM tends to fluctuate as it depends on the country that the video is being watched in, and also if the viewer actually ends up clicking on the ad or not. They are getting an estimated 5,500 daily views. And with a CPM of $8, they'll be making $44 per day. That will be $1,320 per month. Alright, so how are they getting the videos? Simple. You'll see I'll be using pxfuel.com. This will allow you to get royalty-free stock photos, meaning that these photos you will be able to use these photos on your YouTube channel or anywhere on the net without getting a copyright strike. So you can simply search for motivational pictures or any type of pictures by simply watching this channel and basically copying their idea and adding your own style to it. And also you can go to the YouTube audio library where you can find in your YouTube studio settings, and simply use a soft genre song to make a video. It's as simple as that. But the main thing that allows them to get views is their tags. This is one of the channels that I realized that one of the niche ideas that you definitely need to have a good idea about tags, because majority of their searches come from YouTube search. As you can see here, they rank number 3 for Attract Your Crush, and Attract My Crush Subliminal, they rank number 4. So you'll definitely need to download TubeBuddy, which is a free plugin for your computer so that you can browse the tags and get the best tags. I hope that this video was informative to you. If it was, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe. Thank you.